All right, my friends, welcome back. I am glad to see people breaking even in estate. This our member has broken even already and is already making 13% in profit. So this is over 113% that this our member has made already in profit. So if you take out the 100%, which is like break even, he has made back his original deposit, right? And then 13% that is on top of it is just his profit. Now, some people have been saying that estate is too slow. Their return on investment, which is the profit on a daily basis, is too small. But would you prefer a platform that is going to promise you 3.5 or 5% on a daily basis, and that platform will disappear in 3 weeks? Would you prefer that to a platform that is going to give you this bare minimum of daily profit between 0.3% to 1% on a daily basis, and that platform will remain consistent and very, very reliable for a very long time? Okay, this is a platform that's got 10 years plan for all members. So, what are you waiting for? If you feel that estate is too slow, I want to tell you that you are not thinking right. Okay, because people are already in estate and they are making these numbers. As you can see, this person has already crossed 100%. So if you are still sitting down saying that estate is too slow, the profit is not enough for me, I want 5% profit, you are already missing out on this kind of break even that we are seeing in estate. Now don't get me wrong, this break even is only on one property that our member has purchased. He has about 5 different properties that he purchased, fraction of it, and all of them are earning him daily passive income, right? So he has been very kind to share his screenshot with us. This is his screenshot from his back office, right? You will notice that his first property on this list, okay, the list you are looking at is tourism property. This one has broken even and made him extra 13% on top of his original money. You can see from here that he invested $8,000. Okay? And now he has made $9,000, over $9,000. Okay? And if you take a look at this screenshot, you will see other properties as well that he has purchased, like the house, apartment in Miami, the villa, the lake house. So if you count the total property here, or the categories of the property, is about 5 categories. So apartment is one category, lake house is one category. Even though he has purchased multiple, fractional real estate in villa, this is one particular apartment, right? And then there is another one here, apartment in Miami, purchased 2 fractional real estate within the apartment in Miami, and then there's another one for house and another one for apartment, and then another one for tourism. So if you count them, tourism, house, apartment, that is 3, apartment in Miami 4, villa is 5, and then lake house is 6. So about 6 different categories of properties that he had purchased. But if you count the number of all his investments in this tokenized real estate, it's more than that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So he has 10 properties, guys, in this platform already, based on the screenshot he has shared with us. He may have more than 10 properties as I speak with you, but this is what he shared with us, and I am very happy that people are making money, steadily, consistently in this platform. The platform is sustainable. As you can see, it's hitting all the numbers: 10.9%, 16.9%, 32.7%, 72.1%, 47.6%, 52.1%, 76.4%, 71.7%, 84.3%, and then the last one is 113.1%. approximately. So what else are you waiting for? Now, before you say anything, right? If you are watching this video right now, before you say anything, let me show you this tourism apartment in the back office, so you will know and realize that this thing we are talking about is very, very powerful. Okay, so let me go to my back office, go to profit calculator. Everybody in estate have access to this, right? If you are watching this video and you are not in estate, and if you wish to register, remember registration is free, KYC is free. You do not need to pay any money to do your registration and do your KYC. Once you complete your free registration and complete your KYC, you will have access to this profit calculator. Now, when you are on this profit calculator, look for tourism. This is tourism. Click on it. Okay, you will notice that tourism property here has been sold out. Why? Because it was popular back then. The minimum to purchase a fraction of that property was $6,740. And when you spend that money to purchase a fraction of this real estate, you will be earning $44 per day. So in a month, you should be talking about close to $1,000, just above $900, right? Every month. Now, this guy purchased, let me go back to the screenshot so that you will know that I'm quoting the actual number, okay? So this guy put in 8,000. Now, remember, the catch here is the minimum was 6,740, but this guy put in more than the minimum. So this is what I have been telling you guys if you are listening to me in all my videos. When they say the minimum to start a platform is $10, for instance, this estate, the minimum to start it is $10. That does not mean that you have to start with $10. $10 is not going to make you the money that you are looking for, right? So this guy went ahead and put in $8,000. Okay, so check this out. He has been receiving up to $1,000 on a monthly basis for that $8,000 that he invested in just this tourism, just only this one. Okay, let's focus on this particular property. So this is it. You have seen it. The figures, they are there. Okay, we are not manufacturing these figures. They are there. They are real. Okay, so this is the kind of money that you can make when you join estate. Okay, I'm just saying to you guys here that the opportunity that we have right in front of us is going to make us very comfortable if you know how to, invest, and if you know the strategies to use in investing in this real estate. So guys, I just want to let you guys know that people are making withdrawals and people are hitting the break-even point within a short period of time. For those of you that are interested, the link to do so and join is below this video description. You have to register, complete your KYC, do your deposit, and then purchase your fractional real estate, right? So it's a portion of the real estate that we are purchasing. We are not purchasing the whole of the real estate. And then afterwards, 24 hours later, after your purchase, you will begin to receive your daily income. Okay, that will make you to break even. Okay, now remember, if I go back to my dashboard here, they said break even is 6 months. Okay, when you do this for this particular property, every property differs. For example, if I go to the villa, okay, you see that the break even point for the villa is 7 months. So the higher you go, okay, on property levels, the less the break-even point will be. Okay, so just remember that. And I just want to let you guys know that people are hitting all of these numbers. So if you are interested in joining estate that has been reliable, it has been consistent, it has been sustainable for a long time, if you want longevity in a platform, please use the link below to sign up and get in touch with me. All the videos to get you up and running have been done. Okay, so all you need to do is just to watch those videos. It's about 10 minutes video. Just watch it for 10 minutes to know the right thing to do, so that when you are doing it, you are doing it the right way, and everything will be correct. So there will be no mistakes, and then you will begin to earn, and eventually you will break even, just like this our team member that has broken even. So I look forward to seeing you guys in my team. Thank you very much for listening to me, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not done so. God bless you. Thank you.